Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create portraits that shine with the golden glow of sunset. Because in this tutorial, I'm going to use a Gemini AI prompt to design stunning portraits with that dreamy cinematic sunset vibe. So here is the example of the prompt or the photo that created by the prompt that I'm going to show you. So let's just get started. So first you can just open Gemini on your phone or on your browser like this and just click on the tools and choose create images, or you can just uh, enter the prompt as it is. So this is the prompt. Make me look like I'm on a beach where it's dark but someone took my picture with a flash and my face is a bit glittery and glowing. And in the background at the sunset, like the sun has 98% leaving purple red sky and it's almost dark. The image is taken from behind my back and I've been told to turn for the picture. I'm wearing a white body contrast with a flower tuck in my hair. So for this one, you can modify it as you like for the outfits right here. Now you can just add the photo, the reference photo in here. Click on open and just tap on submit. Now just wait until the image, the sunset glow image is generated. Okay, so now the image is done and this is how it will look like. So this will be perfect for photographers, creators, or anyone who loves aesthetic portraits. This Gemini AI trick will instantly upgrade your photo game. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next one. Bye!